topper copies. This is the second most important source that you need to refer for ethics in governance or ethics portion preparation, because you need to know answers लिखने कैसे हैं. पेपर 1, पेपर 2, 3 के अंदर आसान होता है थोड़ा ज्यादा. Why? Because वहां पे कॉन्सेप्ट रिलेटिवली वेल डिफाइंड है. यहाँ पे सब्जेक्टिविटी बहुत ज्यादा है. किस तरीके से आंसर को प्रेजेंट किया जाए, हाउ डू आई एक्चुअली गिव माई आर्ग्यूमेंट्स टू द एग्जामिनर, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ वेरिएशन. And that's a good thing as well about ethics. Ethics and essay gives you a lot of liberty to write the answers the way you want to write, to showcase to the examiner what truly makes you different from rest of the candidates. Doesn't mean that you start doing some random things in the exam, but there is scope for a lot of innovation and flexibility in papers like essay and ethics. So it is truly a paper where you can show your personality to the examiner. No other paper gives you that kind of liberty. Optional में तो scope बहुत limited है. Paper 1, 2 and 3 there is some scope, but definitely not as much as paper 4 and as essay. The kind of examples that you give, the kind of compelling arguments that you give to tell the examiner that this is what I believe and why I believe that scope is there in paper 4. So therefore, you will not be able to understand it, how to write answers really well, unless you see or go through the copies of toppers from the past. Now, which toppers to refer? It's a choice that you have to make. Only suggestion that I will give to you is look at the topper copies of any of the toppers from last 5 years. Go through some of them and see whose writing style, whose language you are able to relate to the most.